Welcome to another episode of The Math Universe. Today, we're diving into a challenging problem that's sure to get your gears turning. Imagine you are faced with this conundrum. You have a cube, and you want to cut it into 27 smaller cubes. How many of these smaller cubes will have paint on exactly 2 of their faces? First, visualize this cube. A cube has 6 faces, each face sharing an edge with 4 others. Now, when you slice it into 27 smaller cubes, you're essentially creating a 3 by 3 by 3 grid. So, how many of these smaller cubes will have paint on exactly 2 faces? To solve this, we have to understand that only the cubes on the edges will have paint on more than 1 face. The cubes in the middle of each face will have paint on only 1 face, and the cube in the center of the larger cube will have no paint at all. Next, consider the corners of the cube. Each corner has 3 faces, so the smaller cubes that occupy these positions will have paint on 3 faces. There are 8 corners on a cube, so now we know that 8 of our smaller cubes will have paint on 3 faces. Now think about the rest of the cubes on the edges. These cubes aren't on a corner, so they only share 2 faces with the larger cube. These are the cubes we're looking for. Each edge of the cube has 3 of these cubes. Since a cube has 12 edges, we can multiply 12 by 3 to find out that there are 36 smaller cubes with paint on exactly 2 faces. So the answer to our problem is, there are 36 smaller cubes with paint on exactly 2 faces. To summarize, when solving a problem like this, it's crucial to visualize the situation and understand the properties of the shape you're dealing with. In this case, we knew that a cube has 6 faces and 12 edges, and that helped us determine how many smaller cubes would have paint on exactly 2 faces. Remember, the keys to solving such a problem are visualization, understanding the properties of the shape, and careful counting. With these tools, you can tackle any geometric conundrum that comes your way. Thank you for joining this journey through the math universe. Stay curious and keep exploring the infinite world of mathematics. Until next time, keep those gears turning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to continue enjoying the magic of mathematics with Mr. Surajit Boral on the Math Universe.